Everyone, this is Prajwal Verma from IME City Aspirants. I welcome you all to the 53rd episode of Tutu Talks. In this talk show, you ask questions and we reply them in the form of videos. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section or DM us on Instagram. There's a guy on Instagram who asked me this question: after completing my BSc Physics, am I eligible or is there any scope in Merchant Navy for me? First of all, I would like to know, is he only doing BSc Physics? That means his BSc is honors physics. Okay. So if he is doing BSc honors physics, if he is doing BSc honors in physics, he will not have any benefit from this degree. Okay. IMU only consider 2 degrees from BSc. First is BSc Physics, Chemistry, Maths or BSc Electronics with Physics in any one of the years as a subject. So these are 2 criteria: BSc PCM or BSc Electronics with Physics in one of the years as a subject. But he is doing physics, but he is doing BSc Physics. That means he is doing BSc Physics honors. Okay. So there is no benefit from that degree. Okay. But it does not mean that your scope in Merchant Navy is over. Okay. You can still use your 12th marks. If you have PCM aggregate more than 60%, English more than 50%, then you can apply for IMUCET, do DNS, do BSc, do BTech, whatever you want. If you have less than 60% in your PCM, you can use your 10th grade mark sheet and then go for GP rating. Or if you do not want to do that too, you can still give improvement examination to increase your marks and then apply for IMUCET and all. Okay. These are some major ways you can join Merchant Navy. Or you can do diploma in mechanical engineering on the basis of 10th grade marks. Okay. You can join from their Merchant Navy. These are some ways that you can join Merchant Navy easily. Okay. Or you can do BTech mechanical engineering, then come back and join Merchant Navy again from GME. These are all the ways that you can join Merchant Navy. So I think I have answered your question. Thank you very much for watching. IME City Aspirants signing off. Bye bye.